Yes. Let's find words that are synonyms with cat.
How about kitten?
Saro, here's an example of words that oppose each other. To find the treasure, tell the word that means the opposite of cold.
Hot. Like summertime.
Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun. Choose the synonym and antonym. Let's go!
How about we go on a picnic and get to know about synonyms and antonyms?
Yay!
A picnic.
Great idea! Let's pack some yummy food and head to the park.
I love picnics. This is going to be so much fun. Hey, I have an idea. Let's play a synonym game.
That sounds like a great idea, Mina. How about we start with something simple?
Yes. Let's find words that are synonyms with cat.
How about kitten? And feline.
Now tell me a synonym of mat.
Synonyms for the word mat is rag.
Synonym for tree is sapling. So does shrub.
Now tell me a synonym for knee.
What about joint?
You're all doing so well. How about a little challenge? Let's synonym with sun.
Sunshine.
Tell me a synonym of race.
Run.
You all did an amazing job. Synonym words are so much fun, aren't they?
It sure is.
You all did fantastic today. Next time, we'll explore something new.
I can't wait.
You'll see, Saro.
Baba, I think I'm very fast in this game.
Yes, you're too fast. I have a fun idea. Let's play antonym game.
A game? Sure.
It's called which word is different from the others. I'll say 3 words, and you have to tell me which one is opposite word.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Saro, here's an example of words that oppose each other. To find the treasure, tell the word that means the opposite of cold.
It says cold is hiding from wait. What's the opposite of cold again?
Let's imagine the feel of it. What do you feel when it's not cold?
Hot. Like summertime.
If you want to go down, first you must find the opposite of up.
Opposite of up? That's down.
Last one. It says, to get the treasure, find the word that means the opposite of full.
If something is not full, it must be empty.
Yay!
The antonym treasure. This is the best jungle hunt ever.
Excellent work, team! Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. Which pair are synonym? Options: A. Big, small. B. Laugh, giggle. The correct answer is B. Laugh, giggle. What's the opposite of tall? Options: A. Short. B. Tiny. The correct answer is a short. Which image shows the antonym of quiet? Options: A classroom in silence. B. A lion roaring. The correct answer is B. A lion roaring. Choose the synonym for sad. Options: A. Unhappy. B. Happy. The correct answer is B. Happy. 5. Open is the antonym of. Options: A. Closed. B. Far. The correct answer is A. Closed. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the multiple meanings of words with pictures. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.